Hi, this is Frida. I don't know what happened. My part 2 got deleted somehow. So I'm retaping this. I had to restart where I left. Just to let you know, I know I got a couple of comments. Where is the second part? I'm not a computer genius, and technology is so huge. I'm learning. Every day I'm learning something. Okay, so we were at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th row. So don't worry, I already did part 3. I'm gonna join part 2 and part 3 together. I hate these, but I have no other way. Okay, so I'm going to do is, okay, remember we did one set. We did single 2 chain, single crochet, 2 chain, and then another set. Okay, here we're going to, oh, I think I did it wrong. No, it's correct. Okay. Okay, chain 2 and jump here and do a double crochet, chain 2, and then we're just repeating what we did here. We're going to do one set here, and then 2, pull it once, 2 chain, 1, 2. I got up early so I can tape it when the house is quiet. Didn't work out. Just want to let you know that probably the ones that saw the part 2, like, this is really fun to make. That's all I can say. It motivates you. 1, 2, and it relaxes. I don't know. I knit and crochet, as you guys know, but crochet, I don't know, it relaxes me. Okay, so I'm doing the second. Set 1, 2, 3. Okay, so I did the second set, and I'm going to do 2 chain, 2 chain, double crochet, 2 chain, and I'm going to repeat what I did here. I'm going to do 1, chain 2, single crochet, chain 2, and then do the other. So I'm just repeating, and then we do, if you get lost, just go below and check if there's a single crochet, you do a double crochet. That's one of the tricks I found out, easy to do. So don't ever do it like we did a double crochet here. Don't do it here, the double crochet. It has to be a single crochet, so it's opposite, just to give you an idea. And continue, and I'll meet you at the end, and we'll start row 6, I believe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 6, row 6. Okay, so I am back. I did the double crochet, and I'm doing the 2 chain, and I'm just gonna join here and do a, either you can do a slip stitch or a single crochet, and I'm gonna go up, chain 2. Okay, so we are here right now, just to show you. So we did this part, now we're doing this part, and we did 2 chains, so we're going to do here 3 chains, single crochet, 3 chains, single crochet, 3 chain, and on the further row we're going to do 4. So this part, the chains are going to get bigger. If you are a tight knitter, crocheter, chain an extra, like, it won't harm. Like, we want this to be loose, this part, because this area is getting smaller. It's creating this hilltop on every corner. So to do that, as you can see, we're not doing anything here, so we're just joining. Okay, so I'm going to do 2, 1, 2, and then, okay, just like that. And then here we are. So we're going to make another one and then skip to the next leaf. So these are like leaves. Chain 2. 1, 2, 3, and then pull it once. Okay. And here I'm just going to skip. That's why this part is getting tight, so we need to increase. Let me just double check. Oh, sorry. Sorry, got confused there. My 1, 2, 3, and pull it once. Okay, here's is the chain. We forgot that part. I'm gonna do the skip here. Okay, so I'm gonna do 3 chain, 1, 2, 3, and then do a single crochet here, 3 chain, 2, 3, and do a single crochet here, 1, 2, 3, and jump up here. I'm gonna do 1, 2, 3, and pull it once, 2 chain, and then 1, 2, 3, pull it once. Okay, so here I'm going to jump. I'm doing nothing here. I'm going to go jump here. 1, 2, 3, pull it once, 2 chain, 1, 2, 3. Okay, pull it once. Again, 3 chain. Oops, did 4 chain. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so I'm going to be repeating what I have done, and this is how it looks like. So 1, 2, 3, pull it once, 2 chain, 1, 2, 3, pull it once. Okay, and I'm going to jump here, 1, 2, 3, pull it once, 2 chain, 1, 2, 3, pull out once. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So basically, I am just repeating what I have done. Okay, so continue going all the way around, and I'll meet you where we're going to be doing the last row. This part. Well, not the last row, but last row of doing the leaf. Pulling it together. And then we're going to do the chains. As you can see, this is how it looks like. This is how it looks like, just to give you an idea. I am not a pattern reader. I'm a vision. Like I look and then I make it. So people like me, if you are like me, this is how it's done. Copy it. Screenshot it. and you can go into my like about section and check my Facebook, my fan Facebook. I also have Instagram that I post pictures. You can make the picture, even you can screenshot when you're watching my tutorials, and then you can make it bigger. Okay, so I will be back to show you. Okay, so I am back. I just wanted to show you before I come to the last so 2, 3, then make a single crochet, 1, 2, 3, make a single crochet, 1, 2, 3, and then make the leaves, 1, 2, 3, pull it once, 1, 2, 2, pull it once. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna do just like this. Okay, so I already did part 3, so I'm not gonna worry about that. I'm so sorry. It's it was going so good, and suddenly the camera, I don't know what happened. I lost part 2. Okay, this is how it looks like. Doesn't this look nice? Oh my goodness. It looks like a puzzle, but it's just gorgeous. So on part 3, I will show you how it's done. And I can't remember if I said goodbye. Sometimes it just ends, like it just cuts me, so I don't have time to say thank you and goodbyes. So I hope you like this tutorial. So watch part 3 as well. And I was trying to load it onto my laptop, and I don't know, it's not letting me. So I'm gonna do it from my camera, direct to YouTube to load it. It goes faster, and everyone's commenting. So I even got a couple of emails. Where's part 2? Okay, so this is how it's done, Marianne. I hope you liked it. I know you already commented. I didn't have time to comment back, but if I did. Okay, so this is how it's done. It's very easy and simple. It looks like it's hard, actually, but no, it's very nice, and it goes great, and it's, the more you make motifs, the better it becomes, like I said. Again, thank you very much for watching my tutorials. Share it with your family and friends, and happy crocheting!